result, or at least publicly hold out hope that the president will somehow prevail. But let's be clear, he will not. The American people spoke with their votes. Joe Biden will be inaugurated at noon on January 20th. This weekend, though, some influential Republicans now speaking out, urging their party to see the facts and to deal with reality. Among them, former New Jersey Governor Christie. Here he is this morning.
What's happened here is, quite frankly, the conduct of the president's legal team has been a national embarrassment. I've been a supporter of the president.
Step up.
I voted for
Step
it
up.
twice.
Step
But
up.
elections have consequences.
Step up.
And we cannot continue to
Step up.
as if something happened here that didn't happen. The country is what has to matter the most. As much as I'm a strong Republican and I love my party, it's the country that has to come first.
Christie, a staunch ally of the president's. Also today, another Republican congressman from Michigan, the second GOP lawmaker from that state, saying the numbers do not lie.
The voters spoke, and here again in Michigan, it's not a razor thin margin. It's 154,000 votes. You got to let those votes stand. 154,000 votes is plenty to overcome. I mean, it's over. The longer this lasts.